Today we are going to solve linear equations. As we have already done linear equation in class 7, right? So straightway we can start. We have to find the value of the variable x, y, z, whatever variable is given, right? So 8x is equal to 20 plus 3x. So every one of you know how to do. Okay, fine. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. We will shift all x's with the variable with the x on one side, another side. Now we'll do subtraction. 5x is equal to 20. So we have to find the value of x. 5 will go there, then it will, what it will do, divide, right? It will divide 5, 4 is the answer. If you want to do the checking, you can do the checking also. The left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Our left hand side is 8x, 8 into 4, 32. Right hand side is 20 plus 3 into 4, 32. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means our calculation is right. It is not necessary. Yes, it's not necessary that every time you have to do the checking. You have to do the checking whenever it is given in the question. Understand? Right. Should we move to the next sum? Yes. Let's move to the next sum. Next sum is next sum is 2 by 3x plus 1 is equal to 7 by 3. Again, we have to find the value of what? X, right? So x is on one side, 2 by 3x is equal to 7 by 3. This 1 is of plus. When we'll take other side, what will happen to this? This will be subtracted, right? So 2 by 3x is equal to, what will be the LCM of this? LCM will be, right, 3 of this. This is 7 minus 3. 2 by 3x is equal to 4 by 3. X is equal to 4 by 3. 3 will be multiplied and 2 will be divided. Absolutely right. So answer will be 2. If you want to do the checking, you can again do the checking. Left hand side is 2 by 3x plus 1. 2 by 3 into 2 plus 1. 4 by 3 plus 1. LCM is 3. 4 plus 3, 7 by 3, and right hand side is always 7 by 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that means our sum is. So I know that every one of you is already aware of. So still we have to do example 3. Example 3 is 1 by 4x plus 1 by 6x is equal to x minus 7. Right? How to do this? Who can tell? You can? Okay. What we'll do? We'll shift. Right. We will shift 1 by 6x minus x is equal to minus 7. Now all x's are same. So next step will be, what we will do? We'll take LCM. So LCM of 6 and this will be 12. Pawn is 12. So this will be 3x plus 2x minus 12x is equal to minus 7. Minus 7x by 12 is equal to minus 7. Minus minus is cancelled. 7x is equal to 7 into 12. X is equal to 7 into 12. This is being multiplied, that will be divided. 12 will be answer. There is no need to multiply here. You can leave because we have not reached at the final result. So unless until we reach at the final result, we can leave it here only. Example 4. Example 4 is x plus 6 by 4 plus x minus 3 by 5 is equal to 5y minus 4 by 8. Now, so now we have a fractions. This is one fraction, this is one fraction, this is one fraction. So who will tell me what to do in this? Yes, yes, absolutely right. We will take LCM, will be 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. You will put in bracket. So 20 is divided by this is what? 4, right? 4 x minus 3 is equal to 5y minus 4 by 8. Now what we will do? We'll open the bracket. 5x plus 30 plus 4x minus 12 by 20 is equal to 5y minus 4 by 8. So x is added, 9x plus 18 by 20 is equal to 5x 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 minus 4 by 8. So what we'll do, now we have two fractions, left hand side and right hand side. When we have two fractions, then we do cross multiplication. What we do? Cross multiplication. This will be 8 into 9x plus 18. This will be 20 into 5x minus 4. So multiply 72x plus 18 into 8, 144 is equal to 100x minus 80. So 72x minus 80 minus 144 minus 28x is equal to minus 224, right? So minus minus is cancelled. X is equal to 224 by 28. 28. So this will cancel with 8. So answer will be 8, right? So hope you are able to understand. Next question. Next question is example number 5. This is 3x plus 5 upon 2x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Now this is one fraction, this is another fraction. So what we will do? Who will tell me? You can tell me. Okay, fine. You are saying that we have to do cross multiplication straight away. So cross multiplication, absolutely right, right? So I'm happy that you have understood the subject. 1 2x plus 1, so this is 9x plus 15 is equal to 2x plus 1. What we will do now? Shift the x's on same side, absolutely right. 2x minus is equal to 1 minus 15. 7x is equal to minus 14. X is equal to minus 2. So very good, you have given the right answer. So now example number 6. Example number 6 is plus 7 upon 3x plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 5 upon 2x plus 3. Now who will tell me? You? No, this is wrong. We cannot shift now. So you will tell me? Tell me, bacha. Okay, fine. Again, these are the two fractions. One fraction. So we'll do the cross multiplication. Absolutely right. So right, cross multiplication, and we'll do the multiplication. Multiplication we have done already. So 6 into 2, 12x square. 6 into 3, 18x. 7 into 2, 14x, 21. 4 into 3, 12x square. 4 into 2, 8x. 5 into 3, 15. 5 2s are 10. So 12x square minus 12x square, this is 32x. This is 23x. 10 minus 21. This is cancelled. So this is how much? 9x. 9x is equal to minus 11. X is equal to minus 11 by 9. So whose answer is right? Your answer is right, or your answer is also right. Good. So if we want to check, we can check. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.